You're right, guys. So Locky's back by popular demand.
Right though?
Hey?
I said alright though.
So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating an awesome Christmas smash burger. But we're going to put a little twist on this. We're going to cook one of Locky's favourite burgers, which is going to be a...
bacon and cheese.
So we're going to have a bacon and cheese burger. We're also going to put Christmas joy into a smash burger to see what one he prefers at the end. So with that being said...
let's do it.
So with any good burger, you've really got to start off with...
mincemeat has to be good quality.
Because if it's not, then the burger's not going to taste as great as it could be. So we've got this mincemeat from Meat Matters. Really, really good stuff.
This has over 20% fat content.
And obviously, as everyone knows, fat means flavour. So that's that. We've toasted these brioche buns.
To keep all of the juices, stops you from getting a soggy bite.
Christy. So obviously, you've got to have the American fake cheese. You cannot have a burger without that. We've also got, for the Christmas burger, a nice quality brie. Now we're going to do something a little bit different with this, so we'll show you what we do with that in a minute.
You always have to have crispy bacon in a burger. You can't have a perfect burger without it.
We've already pre-cooked that. We will liven it up a bit on the griddle when we smash the burgers down. To make this super Christmassy and add that element of Christmas into the burger, we're going to put some cranberry sauce in that burger. We've also got Angus and Oinks meat tinsel. I've had this before. It's great stuff, especially this time of the year. This is going to elevate that to the next level of Christmasness as well.
Let's get prepping.
We're not putting onions in these burgers, but I've crushed up some onion rings to go over this, and I've also added some of that meat tinsel. He's eating all the bacon, guys. There isn't going to be any left for these burgers.
Don't worry, no. There's going to be bacon left.
Are you sure? Quality control. Is that quality control?
Oh no, splitting them into two.
Right, just go over that with the meat tinsel as well. The meat tinsel was inside that as well. So that's what you're looking for. We're going to fry that up in a deep fat fryer, and that's going in the burger. So we're going to go for about 50 to 60 gram patties and smash them down as super thin as we can get them. The idea is to go slightly smaller patties, so when you smash them down and you fill that burger up, it's not going to be super tall and too big. And like Locky said, by having good quality mincemeat, you are just going to elevate that in the respect of flavour. You may notice we're not seasoning this meat at all, so as we cook it we will season it. If you season now, you're going to be taking all that juiciness out. Salt obviously takes the juice out.
Yeah, which then it kind of ruins the meat flavour.
There you go, simple as that. That's all the prep done. Let's go. Okay, so we get the smash burgers on. As I say, livening that bacon back up. Now's the time to season. We've gone for a bit of Angus and Oink on this one. These guys are in Scotland. Locky really does love this stuff, so we're putting this on his burger. Look at that, my hard reaction going on, that's what you want, crisping it off. Cheese on. Burger, bacon.
Remember to like and subscribe, it helps this channel a lot, it doesn't cost a penny. We appreciate it a lot.
They don't have to be perfectly round. Getting holes in between really doesn't matter. That means you're going to get more crispiness of that mild reaction going on. Season, a little bit of salt. Bit of cheese. Burger. Burger. Then we're going to put the bacon on. Okay, so for the Christmas one, we're going to try and get the cheese over the top. Now, admittedly, that brie, I put it in there and it just literally melted. It went in and pretty much 5-10 seconds and it was back out. Let's get that cranberry sauce. Right, that is that one. Is Locky going to prefer the Christmas burger, or is he going to like his standard one that he normally likes? Bacon and cheese. We're going to find out in a minute. Okay, so there we have it. We've got the Christmas burger. You got the brie in there. As I say, when I fried that, it's melted super quick. So there's probably a better way of doing that. But, you know, comment down below if you would have done that any different. Then you got Locky's standard burger, bacon, cheese. That's it. Simple as that. Let's go.
Yep.
Right, let's get them in half. The great reveal. Look at that. Then you got Locky's standard burger. That is super juicy, Locky.
Yes.
And look at that bun. It's all holding together.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Oh, was I recording? Oh, I hope so. I'll have to go through that again. Okay, so we had a bit of a mishap there. Camera wasn't recording and we just did a whole reel and we're smashing through this. Okay, Locky, so what do you reckon on that one? Genuinely?
As perfect taste and flavour, the brie and cranberry is a perfect combo together, and I recommend doing it because it would probably make your day.
And your Christmas.
Yeah, and your Christmas.
But he does prefer that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, super juicy, quality meat. I've got to say that mince meat is definitely worth getting. It makes a huge difference to get that rather than what you would get from your normal supermarket and whatever. 100%. Amplifies the flavour, definitely. So yeah, it's got his seal of approval. He likes it, but he prefers that one, clearly. Well, that's that then, guys. That's his opinion on it. I really like it, genuinely think it works well, and it's not too technical to make, quite simple, but it is Christmassy. So with that being said, go cook something exceptional, and
We'll see you when we see you.
cheers.
Cheers, see ya.
That really does work well. Definitely to have the fake cheese in there as well, to keep it in there. That helps. Oh, was I recording? That is super juicy, Locky.
Yeah.